नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. विशय आसा तो आयताराक जी आम आदमी पार्टीची येदी भव्य दिव्य सक्सेसफूल रॅली जाली ताजो गोंयच्या राजकारणाचे परिणाम कितें जातलो आनी ज्या त्वेशान आवेगान पक्षान काम सुरू केलां आनी जी व्हॉलंटियर बेस तांणी दाखोवन दिल्या आयताराक आनी सोमाराक ताजो फटको कोणा बसतलो, फायदो कोणा जातलो आनी आम आदमी पार्टीची स्वताची ध्येय धोरणां कितें ह्या विशयाचेर आमी आज भासाभास करतात. चार मनीस म्हजे बरोबर. पयलीं आसात ते भाजपाचे फुडारी आनी आमदार निलेश बाब काब्राल, स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आनी म्हणयारे सुनील कोटणकार. तिसरे जे बिझनेस लॉबींतली मनीस पण हांगा पर्यावरणाची तितलीच तुगेली कळकळ आसा आनी एक आम आदमी पार्टीकूय ते मातशे लागींचे ते हरीश बाब मेलवानी, स्वागत तुमचें. आनी चवथे लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट द पर्सन हू हॅज इनिशिएटेड दीस होल डिबेट आम आदमी पार्टीचे फुडारी वाल्मिकी नायक. निलेश बाबा, सुरवात तुमचे कडच्यान करता. यू सॉ दी नंबर्स, कितें दिसलें तुमकां पळयतकीर? मातसो भंय बी दिसलो काय दिसलो ना?
भंय दिसपाक कांय ना न्ही. जेन्ना पळय पयली सुवातेर फर्स्ट टायम एक तांची मिटींग जाता, तांचो नॅशनल लिडर येता. सो देर इज ऑलवेज आमचे गोंयचे लोक इन्क्विजिटीव आसताच.
इट इज क्युरियोसिटी.
It is curiosity which has, and no doubt they had organized it well. They had an organization, whether they were imported organization or they were local organization, I don't know. They know the best. But they organized it best. हांवें पयले बसी आतां fortunately I was also coming on the same route coming from Kuchare on Sunday with my family, and I noticed that the buses had banners at the front, at the side, they had a logo. They had organized it well. That I don't say no. But from where these people came, how they came, because every bus I saw, it was not always full. There were only 8-9 people in every bus from whatever I saw. But when I say I came at a rally point, I saw a lot of vehicles. So it was the inquisitiveness of the people for the rally.
That individuals came out.
Individuals came out. I know from my constituency also so many people came out.
But तुम्ही ही क्युरियोसिटी म्हळ्यार मतां हे मानपाक तयार ना.
पळय मतां मागीर आमी केन्ना इलेक्शन जाता तेन्ना कळटलें. पण आतां आप इज नॉट न्यू इन गोवा न्हू. इवन तुजे आमचे फॉर MP election they contested, they got votes. So they got votes. It's not that they did not get, but how much votes they get, everybody knows. Which booth, how many votes, where, which constituency, how much they got, everybody knows. So it is not that AAP was never there in Goa. Why are we saying that AAP was not there in Goa? AAP is there in Goa. AAP was there. Election आता MP election 2 वर्सां पयलीं जाली. They are there for last 2 years. So they will have some base. Every party has which, even if you go with GLP आणि दुसरे सगळे पार्टीचे बेस असतात.
Okay.
But they were little organized. Let me say they were little organized.
They were little organized. You don't want to give them anything more than that. सुनील, कितें दिसता ही क्राउड पळयतकीर तांगे ऑर्गनायजेशनल स्ट्रेंथ, व्हॉलंटियर बेस, द जनरल इम्प्रेशन इज दे आर गोइंग टू ईट इनटू युअर वोट बँक, बिकॉज तेही सेक्युलरिझमाचे उलयतात, एंटी करप्शनाचे उलयतात, तुमचेरय टिका करतात, BJPचेरय टिका करतात. हाव इज काँग्रेस लुकिंग एट दिस?
No, we will first of all congratulate them for organizing a rally. तांचो नॅशनल लिडर आयिल्लो गोंयान आम आदमी पार्टीचो जो अरविंद केजरीवाल आसा, तांच्यांनी ऑर्गनायझेशन तांचें आनी ऑर्गनायझींग तांच्यांनी स्किल्स आपले दाखोवन ऑर्गनायज जरी केलें की लोकसभा इलेक्शना कडेन आम आदमी पार्टी was in the fray. What is the votes that they got? They then also had that volunteers. They now also have those volunteers. पणजे जेन्ना बाय पोल जाले तेन्ना तांचे मॅक्झिमम व्हॉलंटियरांनी एका कॅन्डिडेटाक सपोर्ट केल्लो. थंय कितें जालें तें हाका. सो ही सगळीं चित्रां फुडल्यान आसतना आनी एज फार एज आम आदमी पार्टी इज कन्सर्न, तांची बाबा पॉलिसीज कितें येता ते इलेक्शना कडेन वता आसतना, इलेक्शन फेस करता आसतना,
अल्टिमेटली दोज आर द थिंग्स दॅट विल मॅटर.
दोज विल मॅटर.
ओके. Policy will matter ultimately. It's a good show, it's a good beginning, it's a good organization, but that's not enough. To be a serious electoral contestant, it's not enough. कित दिसता मेलवानी बाब?
म्हाका खरें दिसता. आनी जे थोडे आमचे इंटरेक्शन जाला आम आदमी पार्टी कडेन तातूंत म्हाका अशें दिसूंक लागलें की they are serious about listening to the people at this stage. And they are enumerating the various area wherein they should formulate a Goa-centric policy, taking Goan people's views into consideration. अशें ना की आमी दुसऱ्या पार्टयांक पयलीं वावरूंक ना. हांव एक स्टुडंट लिडर जावन आसा आनी आमी पयलीं काँग्रेसाकूय वावरले आनी BJPक सुद्दां हांव डोर टू डोर सुद्दां गेलो. पूण तांचें जालें कितें की जेन्ना ते इलेक्ट जावन आयले मागीर तांकां टायमूच मेळना आमचे कडेन उलोवपाक. म्हणजे एक घमंड कसो आयलो तांकां आनी ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता ही परिस्थिती आयज तांचेर दोगांयचेर येयला. अशें ना की फक्त BJPचेर येयला. काँग्रेसीचेरूय तशेंच ते घमंड आनी आपले AC कॅबिनान बसून ते पॉलिसी डिक्टेट करूंक लागले. सद्या आयजची परिस्थिती जी आसा ती आप पार्टी आम मनशा बरोबर भावता आनी एक हांव सांगूं सोदतां की हांवें तांकां पळयलां, बारीक रितीन पळयलां आनी जी ऑर्गनायझेशन ते बिल्डअप करता पळय दॅट इज रायट फ्रॉम द ग्रास रूट्स आनी हे 2 वर्सां जो ग्रोथ हांवें पळयला पळय इट इज ए फेनॉमिनल ग्रोथ.
सो तुम्ही कितें म्हणटात जी लोकसभा इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट केल्ली ती पार्टी आनी आयची पार्टी हातूंत भितर जमीन
वास्ट डिफरन्स कित्याक हांव पळयता गोंयचे लोक तातूंत आतां शामील जावपाक लागला. काही भाजपाचे कार्यकर्ते, काही शिवसेनेचे कार्यकर्ते, काही काँग्रेसीचे कार्यकर्ते तातूंत शामील जाला आनी मुख्य म्हणल्यार जे कोणाक हांवें विचारलें अरे कित्याक तुमी हातून आयले तुमची पार्टी हे आमचे लिडर आमकां आयकत ना, आमकां फुडें दवरीत ना, आमकां अपॉयंटमेंटां दिना. पूण निदान हांगा कोण तरी आयला जे आमचे आयकपाक तयार आसा आनी ही स्टेज आतां नेक्स्ट स्टेज आप पार्टीक एकदम क्रिटिकल म्हज्या हिशोबान. फ्रॉम नाव आफ्टर लिसनींग एवरीथींग they have to start making now their stand clear. Various issues asa, regional plan asa, amcho medium of instruction asa, mining mineral policy asa. So many important things are there. Amche casinos asa. Ata te jar apli stand clarify karina जाल्यार then all this effort has gone waste.
Okay, so you are saying the critical stage begins now. वाल्मिकी, हाउ डू यू लुक एट इट? 2-3 मुद्दे आहात. एक पयलो की अल्टिमेटली तुमकां आतां तुमची पॉलिसीज सांगची पडटल्यो लोकांक. इट्स अ गुड बिगिनिंग, एवरीबडी इज अप्रिशिएटिंग यू फॉर ऑर्गनायझेशन, बट अल्टिमेटली when you go to election there are 2 important factors. One is what are you offering the policies आणि candidates. पार्टी कशी पळयता? हाव हॅज बीन तुमचो फीडबॅक कितें आहा रॅलीच्या उपरांत अँड हाऊ इज पार्टी लुकिंग एट दीस 2 aspects?
पहिली म्हळ्यार ही डिबेट आज जाल्या तीच आय थिंक इट इज अ व्हेरी युनिक सब्जेक्ट.
That's what I said. You are the proponent of the debate.
मोदीची काँग्रेसीची इवन आमच्या रॅलीवन व्हडली जाल्ल्यो आसा, पूण खंयच्या पार्टीन भायले लोक हाडले, खंयच्या पार्टींनी बसी भरून हाडले ते सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आसा, म्हणून आज ही डिबेट जाता. सो एवरीबडी नोज द रियलिटी. आयतारा फाटल्या केजरीवालाक पळोवपाक गोंयभर लोक आपूण जावन आयले, गोंयकार लोक आयले. सो दॅट इज नो टू थिंग्स अबाउट इट. सेकंडली ही रॅली जी जाली आमचे सिस्टमॅटीक काम चलिल्लें आसा. तो ऑलमोस्ट 1-1.5-2 वर्सां जाली. वी हॅव रॅम्प्ड इट अप इन द लास्ट 6 to 8 months. सिस्टमॅटीक काम चलिल्लें आसा. ही जी रॅली जाली दॅट वॉज कल्मिनेशन ऑफ फेज 1. फेज 1 आमी कितें केलें? आमी लोकां कडेन गेले, डोर टू डोर गेले, कॉर्नर मिटिंग्स केले. आमी सांगलें BJPचें सरकार आसा, ताच्या पयलीं काँग्रेसीचें सरकार आसा, तुमी हॅपी आसा, तुमकां पर्याय जाय जाल्यार आमी आसा, आमी दिल्लीचें सरकार अशें चलयतात. सो हे सगळें इन्फॉर्मेशन आमी तांकां दिलें आनी वी ट्रायड टू गेट अ फील ऑफ वेदर वी आर रिक्वायर्ड इन गोवा ऑर नॉट. अँड वी हॅड अ ओवरवेल्मिंग रिस्पॉन्स की तांकां पर्याय जाय. अँड सो ही जी रॅली जाली दॅट वॉज कल्मिनेशन ऑफ फेज 1 आनी त्या दिसा आमी डिसिजन घेतलें की आम आदमी पार्टी शूड कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शन्स इन गोवा बिकॉज पीपल वॉन्ट अस टू. सो आतां फेज 2 जो आसा तुमी आतां उलयल्ले ते दॅट वील गेट इन टू मॅनिफेस्टो आनी कॅन्डिडेट्स. अजून ताजेर आमी कांयच एक्चुली इन डिटेल करूंक ना, पूण जेन्ना आमी लोकां कडेन उलयता ते इश्यूज भायर सरतात, ते कॅन्डिडेट सजेस्ट करता. सो दॅट प्रोसेस वॉज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. आतां फेज 2 आमी ते सगळे कन्सोलिडेट करतले. वी वील आयडेंटिफाय द इश्यूज दॅट पीपल हॅव टोल्ड अस दे वॉन्ट अस टू सॉल्व, नॉट वॉट इज ओनली स्पोकन अबाउट बाय अदर पार्टीज. आमी आमचो कन्वर्सेशन, पॉलिटिकल कन्वर्सेशन तयार करतले. फक्त प्रेसान सगळे ह्या इश्यूचेर सगळेच पार्टी उलयता म्हणून आमी ताजेर एक रिएक्शन दितले अशें ना. वी वील टॉक अबाउट द इश्यूज पीपल हॅव आस्क्ड अस टू टॉक अबाउट. सो दॅट वील बी फेज 2.
दॅट वील बी द फेज 2. एक इंटरेस्टिंग गजाल वाल्मिकी उलयतना म्हाका जाणवता. दे आर गोईंग व्हेरी सिस्टमॅटिकली. दे हॅव अ स्ट्रॉंग व्हॉलंटियर बेज आनीक ताणें आपलो प्रोग्राम चॉकआउट केला. The only other party which used to function like this is Bharatiya Janata Party. You had a cadre, correct. You have a strong cadre. You had a ground support base. तुमचोय program check out जाता. So for the first time, you have got a serious offbeat contender with a serious support base and volunteer base. So don't you think that is going to hit you badly?
Every party has a volunteer base. See, AAP claiming volunteer base. See, I am not saying that they don't have, but how much do they have? See, just because I told you again, see, it is the curiosity, Goenkaranchi curiosity ji ashile. What Arvind Kejriwal is speaking. This has made the Goans to come out and do. Now what Valmiki has said, in 8 months they have revamped and they have, see, they have to, if they are serious, they have to. Even if BJP is serious, BJP has to do, every party has to do. See how much they will be able to do. As Melani Baban Sanade Bashin, how many issues go on, issues they are going to tackle. As he has said that it is not the issues which comes to the press, it is not the issues which is talked in public, it is the issues which are really connected to the people down the line. So let us see, there is no doubt, we have to see, everyone has to have challenges. And this kurchi, Amdaraji kurchi asa it is not has Fevicol, it is without Fevicol. So anybody can take it up, but they have to perform. And they have to show. Now, if people are going to give them a chance, it's for the people of Goa to decide. People of Goa is not like people of Delhi. See, Delhi people and Goa people, you cannot compare. Goinche log, amche Susegad log, but they know what is what. They might come and tell, and they might be coming and Korea mentally, but ultimately Goinche lokanche expectation je asa, खूप जे असता. And now as Amdar, last almost 4.5 years I've been working in my constituency. See, when I got elected, I had promised every 3 months I would go. I started every 4 months, in 6 months, in a year I covered all my booths. I asked, see, people, ultimately what they feel that person who is elected has to do responsible work. This is the contention of the people of Goa, I feel tentatively. Yes, you have to debate in between them, ask their suggestions and come. But they will not come and tell you. See, normally they come and tell you about their personal issues. If you meet 100 people and you ask them overall, there will be in that 100 people, there will be 4 people who will tell you overall development of Goa. In that 100 people, there will be 8 people who will tell you about Kurchar. But remaining all people will tell about that particular area. Individual issues. So they are going to learn. It is not that I have learned, we have learned, we are there. So all this years.
What has happened now? Suddenly one competitor has come in the field. We have really privatized now, and a new competitor has come. It is about time that our two parties wake up and realize that this competition is serious. It is absolutely a competitor. If you hide into that shell that yes, we are ruling this, that and the other, you are facing a disaster. Now the BJP has to wake up and really meet the people and understand what is in the mind. I have sent hundreds of emails just on minerals, just on various things. Now, for example, this methyl bromide controversy. I am fighting for 1 year to import my microwave machine, which avoids this methyl bromide totally. I have sent you my whole write-up. Point is, our government is just not responding. They are so busy, I don't know with what issues, but they just don't have the time to respond. Take for example, I will talk about one sector where I am intimately connected, that is our mineral sector. Now, so much money our government, central and Goa has earned. Whether even a mineral research institute has been put up in Goa, even 10 rupees have been spent for mineral research. No, I have been writing frequently. Once a week you must be getting an email.
We have a complete misplaced priorities.
Totally misplaced. I don't know what are they looking after.
Okay. वो प्रॉब्लेम जाला सुनील की तुमची सरकार असो किंवा बीजेपीची सरकार असो त्यो ज्यो प्रायोरिटीज आसात आणि जे ऑन ग्राउंड जी रियलिटी आसा आणि ज्यो नीड आसा त्यो खंय तरी मिसमॅच जावपाक लागल्यात ताका लागून एक व्हॅक्यूम तयार जाला तो तुमची टायमार मनोहर पर्रीकरान त्या व्हॅक्यूमाचेर कॅपिटलायज केले आज तांची परफॉर्मन्सा उपरांत ते कॅपिटलायज करपाक पळयतात सो देर इज अ नॅचरल व्हॅक्यूम वीच समबडी हॅज टू फील अँड दे आर लुकिंग एट दॅट व्हॅक्यूम यू एग्री विथ दिस
if at all there is a vacuum, everybody will try to capitalize on that vacuum. कित्याक खंयत vacuum आसा जाल्यार हांगा पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इतल्यो आसा, रिजनल पार्टीज धर, तांची आम आदमी पार्टी धर, which is न्यू पार्टी, जी प्रत्येक पार्टी तो vacuum capitalize करपाक पळयतलोच. इट इज देअर वे ऑफ गोईंग अहेड. बट हाजो अर्थ हें न्हय की दॅट वी हॅव फॉलोइंग शॉर्ट समवेर. बिकॉज इफ यू सी आमचे ऑर्गनायझेशनल ग्रोथ, जितले लोक न्यू येवन आमकां जॉइन जाता, जितले मास पद्दतीन लोक येवन जॉइन जाता, आनी इतले वर्सां लोकांनी दवरलेलो विश्वास हो जरी कितेंय म्हण तूं व्हॉलंटियर आसा, तांचे म्हण ऑर्गनायझर आसा, तांचे RSS डिसिप्लीन आसा, कितेंय म्हण, पण जर आतां पर्यंत जर कार्यकाळ पळयत खंय ना खंय लोकांनी काँग्रेसीचेर विश्वास दवरला. पण हाजो अर्थ हांव हें म्हणना की लोकांक टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड घेवपाक जाय म्हणून. हांव सामकें ठाम मताचो आसा की जे लोकांक जाय ते आमी तांकां दिवपाक.
यू कन्सिडर देम अ सिरियस कंटेंडर? whom you consider them as a serious threat? Aam Aadmi Party.
I don't consider them serious threat for Congress party at all, and there are reasons for that.